How to install iOS 18.1 Apple Intelligence on iPhone XS, XR, 11, 12 and 13. So if you want to install iOS 18.1 Apple Intelligence on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to search for beta.apple.com. After that, scroll down, tap on sign in. Tap on sign in again, which is on the bottom. Go with your Face ID and it will sign into your Apple account. Once you've signed in, you need to select the iOS device right here, or if you're using any other device, you can go with the other device. I'll just simply go with iOS. And then you need to scroll down again and you need to tap on enroll your iOS device if you are new to this beta program. Scroll down and then tap on open beta updates, which will directly take you to the settings. Under your settings, you need to tap on iOS 18 public beta. Once you've selected that, if you go back, then as you can see that you will have the update. You need to tap on update now and it will update or it will install. That's how you can install, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.